Simple Cafe, ooh, a new look. Simple Cafe E, simple solutions for your electronics. Okay, so you've probably already seen one or two of my other videos that show you how to connect different types of speakers to different types of television inputs for an all-around much better experience. And maybe you're trying to get that better experience, but your TV has no RCA or aux connections. Even worse, it may not even include the modern optical or HDMI ARC ports, leaving you with zero ways to get audio out of your TV to external speakers. And so what are we to do? Well, another channel may tell you to open up your TV and do some rewiring to this, that, and the other. Now, much respect to them, but that's not what this channel is about. Simple Cafe is about simplicity, even if it means having to tell you that if your TV doesn't have those audio out ports, then you simply cannot connect external speakers to it. But if you happen to be using a separate media device, well, now we have some possibilities. If not, well, maybe this is the good excuse you were looking for to get yourself a new TV. Either way, this is probably a good time for you to bring out your old DVD player and rewatch some of your favorite movies, but this time with awesome sound. That's actually the first solution we're going to go over: how to connect your RCA devices, like a DVD player, to both your speakers and TV. Then we'll see how to do so with HDMI devices, like video game consoles. Okay, so let's begin with RCA devices, such as a DVD player, a cable box, and certainly many more. See, all these devices have yellow, red, and white ports. The yellow port is for video, the red and white are for left and right audio. So yeah, there you have it. What you can do is just direct the yellow cable for video over to your TV, and instead of the red and white cable following along, well, you'll split those over to your sound system just like this if your sound system has RCA ports. Uh-oh, does your sound system only have an aux port? No problem, just use one of these RCA to aux cables, or a splitter if you prefer. And just like that, you're golden, at least when you're playing content out of these other devices. So now what about HDMI connecting devices like a Roku or a modern game console? How the heck are we supposed to split the video and audio if it's all in a single cable? Well, since we don't want to tear the cable apart, we'll need a special device that'll take the video and audio signals and split them up for us, and then let us plug separate cables to it, one for video and the other for audio. That special device is an HDMI audio extractor. This is basically a digital to analog converter, of which you may find many. But the type you're going to need is unique. Don't worry, here's a link to it in the description. The crucial detail that you need to look out for when getting one is that on the output side of the converter, you see an HDMI port along with an RCA or aux port. The thing is, most of these converters are designed to simply take a device's HDMI, which is a digital signal, and convert it to RCA/AV, which is an analog signal. Now that is part of what we want, so you can send the audio to your speakers, but what about the video? Here we have the yellow port for that, and if your TV has it, well, then you're all set. However, you probably want to keep the definition of your video high, and that's why you'll want to verify that your converter has an HDMI port on the output side. So you can send that video signal over to your TV in high def, just like this. And when it comes to your audio, you can direct it over to your sound system via an RCA to aux cable. If your sound system takes RCA, well, then use an RCA to RCA cable. Gasps, what if your sound system only takes optical? Well, some of these extractors will have you covered. Just make sure that the one you select also has the optical port on the output side. So there you have it. As seen in these examples, you can connect your external speakers to a media player, which also connects to your TV. The only way to get all your TV's sound to external speakers was having a TV with audio out ports. So don't forget the next time you're in the market for a new TV to not just focus on the size, but the ports too. If you can't find them, well, you can ask a sales associate, which external audio ports does this TV have? Just see to it that it has the ports that your sound system has, whether that's RCA or aux for a straightforward connection, or if the TV you want only has optical or HDMI ARC, but your sound system doesn't, then you're going to need a digital to analog audio converter, similar to the ones that we were looking at. Speaking of which, I have a lot of videos that go over how to connect these, so check out my channel to find your connection. Well, I really hoped you liked this video enough to subscribe. If you do, my videos will come up towards the top of your search results the next time you're looking for similar solutions. Thanks and take care.